Karina Kaboom. From beauty reviews to Gorl World March 2013. Karina Kaboom launches her YouTube channel. Public trademark records identify the creator behind the name as Karina Nemsen. Those records indicate that the Karina Kaboom brand was first used commercially on March 12, 2013. At this stage, her online career is not focused on Amberlynn Reid, Foodie Beauty, or the reaction community that would eventually become known as Gorl World. She enters YouTube through the beauty community. From 2013 through 2015, Karina builds her channel around beauty products, makeup, and nail polish reviews. Her content places her within a rapidly expanding ecosystem of beauty influencers, cosmetics companies, product launches, and customer reviews. During these early years, she is not primarily commenting on other creators. She is reviewing products herself and participating directly in the beauty space. That changes in 2015. May 2015, Karina publishes a negative review of lip products from Gerard Cosmetics. She says she experienced an allergic reaction to some of the products and did not recommend them. The criticism attracts the attention of Manny Mua, a prominent beauty influencer, and Jennifer Gerard, the owner of Gerard Cosmetics. In a Snapchat video, Manny and Gerard discuss negative reviews of the company. During the recording, Gerard insults Karina's appearance. The video generates backlash. Karina responds publicly, criticizing the company's treatment of a paying customer and arguing that businesses should improve their products rather than attack people who provide honest reviews. Manny Mua later issues an apology. The incident becomes one of the defining moments of Karina's early online career. She is no longer simply reviewing makeup. She has become part of the controversy. August 2015, the Gerard Cosmetics situation expands beyond Karina's individual dispute with the company. Jaclyn Hill, one of the most recognizable beauty influencers of that period, announces that she is cutting ties with Gerard Cosmetics. Although Hill indicates that multiple factors contributed to the decision, industry coverage connects her departure to the broader backlash surrounding the company. Karina's conflict with Gerard Cosmetics now has consequences extending into business partnerships, influencer relationships, and the public reputation of a cosmetics brand. The controversies also helps establish a role that will define the next stage of her career. She becomes a commentator on the beauty community itself. From 2016 through early 2017, Karina transitions further into beauty drama commentary. Instead of focusing only on products, she begins covering conflicts involving other influencers, cosmetics brands, and online personalities. By January 2017, articles discussing YouTube drama channels place her alongside creators such as Peter Mon, Rich Lux, Sanders Kennedy, and John Cuckian. These channels occupy a growing niche built around online feuds, industry criticism, allegations of unethical behavior, and the personalities driving beauty community controversies. Karina is now part of that ecosystem. Her platform is no longer defined only by what products she likes or dislikes. It is increasingly defined by who is fighting, who is responding, and who is being accused of what. May 2017. Karina comments on a customer's allegation that a Jeffree Star Cosmetics order arrived with ants in its packaging. Outside coverage references her discussion of the incident and her statement that other customers reported similar experiences. Those additional claims are not independently verified. However, the attention demonstrates that Karina's commentary has gained visibility beyond her own audience. Other publications are now referencing her reactions when covering beauty industry disputes. January 2018. Karina files an application to register the name Karina Kaboom as a trademark. The trademark describes her work as entertainment, involving an ongoing series of dramatic videos distributed online. The wording is significant. By this point, drama is not simply an occasional feature of the channel. It is part of the formal description of the brand. August 21, 2018. The Karina Kaboom trademark is officially registered. The registration identifies Karina Nemsen as the owner. On the same day, another significant development appears in public court records. Halo Beauty and Tatiana Westbrook file a lawsuit against Karina Nemson in New York State Supreme Court. Tatiana Westbrook is better known online as Tati Westbrook or Glam Life Guru. The court docket classifies the case as a defamation matter. The available records confirm that the lawsuit was filed. They do not establish the final outcome. Publicly accessible information does not verify whether the case was dismissed, settled, or resolved through another legal process. There is also no verified public evidence establishing that Karina was placed under a gag order or legally prohibited from discussing Westbrook. What can be confirmed is that her involvement in beauty community controversies had expanded beyond online criticism into documented litigation. May 2019, the beauty community becomes consumed by the highly publicized conflict involving Tati Westbrook and James Charles. Viewers notice that Karina discusses surrounding personalities and developments while appearing reluctant to mention Westbrook directly. Online discussions question why a drama commentator would avoid naming one of the central figures in such a major controversy. Some viewers speculate that the earlier lawsuit may have influenced her coverage. However, speculation is not proof. Without verified court documents or a public statement confirming a legal restriction, the reason for her approach remains unknown. What is clear is that viewers recognize a noticeable change in how she handles certain beauty community subjects. December 2020. Karina's content begins drawing attention for a different reason. Viewers from the beauty community notice that she is posting frequently about Amberlynn Reid. A discussion from December 8, 2020 asks why so many of Karina's recent videos concern Amberlynn. This marks an important shift in her online career. Amberlynn Reid is not primarily a beauty influencer. Her online presence revolves around personal vlogs, relationships, weight-related discussions, public criticism, and ongoing disputes with viewers and reaction channels. By focusing on Amberlynn, Karina begins moving away from the traditional beauty drama community and toward a different commentary ecosystem. The central product is no longer makeup. The central product is ongoing personal drama. February 2021. Former beauty community viewers continue noticing changes in Karina's channel. Discussions from this period describe fewer visible older videos and a growing focus on personalities such as Amberlynn Reid and Nikocado Avocado. These observations do not prove exactly when older videos were removed, whether they were deleted or made private, or why those changes occurred. However, they demonstrate that longtime viewers recognize the channel as substantially different from its earlier beauty-focused identity. Karina has not disappeared. She has changed neighborhoods. From 2021 through 2023, Karina becomes increasingly associated with the reaction community surrounding Amberlynn Reid and Foodie Beauty. This online environment is commonly called Gorl World. The community revolves around creators whose daily lives, relationships, arguments, live streams, and personal decisions become material for commentary channels. Karina adapts her established drama channel format to this setting. Instead of focusing primarily on beauty influencers and cosmetics brands, she increasingly covers Amberlynn, Foodie Beauty, and the people connected to them. February 2023. Viewers discussing Foodie Beauty reaction channels identify Karina as an established participant in the wider community. Her name appears alongside commentators including Oh Lordy, It's Jordy, Gorlic Bread, Zachary Michael, Alex is Shook, Pulpy Syntax, and French Freed Gorl. By this stage, Karina is no longer simply visiting Gorl World. She is recognized as one of its recurring commentators. The transition from beauty drama to reaction content is well established. During 2024, Amberlynn Reid's relationships become a major focus of Karina's channel. Videos concerning Amberlynn's former partner Beck attract significant attention. One video discussing Beck's comments about Amberlynn receives more than 140,000 views. A related follow-up receives more than 80,000 views. These figures illustrate how relationship developments and personal disputes function as recurring storylines within Karina's content. The videos are not limited to Amberlynn herself. They extend to former partners, current partners, relatives, and other people connected to her online life. Also, during 2024, Karina continues incorporating Pokémon Go into her content. Some videos combine commentary about Foodie Beauty or other Gorl World personalities with Pokémon Go gameplay and events. This creates a format that blends internet drama discussion with a separate personal interest. It also distinguishes her presentation from reaction channels that rely entirely on live stream recaps, edited clips, or direct responses. During 2025, Karina continues covering developments involving Amberlynn Reid, Beck, Amberlynn's mother, romantic partners, and additional figures circulating through the broader community. Videos from this period receive tens of thousands of views. Her commentary remains organized around the continuing drama surrounding a relatively small group of online personalities. This reflects a defining characteristic of the Gorl World reaction economy. The same people appear repeatedly. The relationships change, the conflicts evolve, and each new development becomes another installment in an ongoing digital storyline. August 2026. More than 13 years after launching her channel, Karina Kaboom has approximately 162,000 subscribers. Her publicly tracked videos have generated approximately 21 million total views. Analytics services list more than 800 publicly visible videos and roughly 255,000 views during a recent 30-day period. Third-party platforms also provide estimated advertising revenue. However, those figures are speculative and should not be treated as verified personal income. By this point, Karina's online identity has traveled a considerable distance from where it began. She entered YouTube as a beauty reviewer. She gained wider attention after a cosmetics company controversy. She became part of the beauty drama commentary community. She formalized her brand, encountered documented litigation, and gradually shifted toward a different online ecosystem. Today, she is best understood as a longtime internet commentator whose career connects two separate eras of YouTube drama. First, the beauty influencer controversies of the 2010s. Then, the Amberlynn Reid and Foodie Beauty reaction culture of the 2020s. The subjects changed, the format evolved, but the underlying business remained remarkably consistent. Find the conflict, explain the conflict, and return when the next chapter begins.